Alrighty, YouTube, figured I'd give you guys a quick close-up of the Frable flip over. It's a single guy or single man flip over with some lights as a modification. So let me close it real quick. So there's what she looks like right now. Alright, let's check this out. Flip this up. I got some skis attached to it. I'll show those next. But here are the LED lights that I put inside. There's not a whole bunch of room in here, but there's enough. What I did is I wired them onto a couple of switches. This turns off the front, and this turns off the rear too. It's actually kind of cool. I can give a tutorial of how I put that together if you guys want. Just comment and let me know. Again, these are just cheap Amazon LED strip lights that just basically self-adhere to it, and I just soldered up some wire. You don't have to solder them, but I did all to it. And these have a couple of different colors. I just used all of the options that I had, and it created the white. I can post a link in the comments if you guys want. But it's really nice when you're out changing. Let's say you're sitting here, and there you go. Here is the front with the back two lights off. You can retie right here, call it good, and then quickly reach back. Or I would usually have it mounted down here and turn it off. But it's not too bad at all. And then for anyone wondering, I made this into a smitty sled using furniture brackets. All I do is step on these, pull up. And now it's lifted off the ground. If you want to put it back down, just step on it and rotate forward. Step on it, rotate and push forward. And then it's flush with the ground.